Hello friends, it's Miss Nora with the CH Booth Library, and I'm here today with our spring grab and go craft bag, which has a theme of bunnies. So let me show you a couple things that I made out of the items that are in the craft bag, but certainly you can use your imagination and create anything you'd like with it. So the first thing I did was I took a white piece of paper and I traced my hand on there. And then I took my scissors and I cut my hand out. You can see. And then I found the middle finger on my hand and I took my scissors and I cut the middle finger off so that I just have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. And then I drew a bunny face. I made these the ears and colored them in and made a bunny face out of my hand. And then I folded my pinky, and then I folded my thumb, and I made a little rabbit out of my handprint. The other thing I made was, in the bag will be some white circles, some different colored paper. Some has texture, you can feel the bumps on it. Some is folded, some is just flat. There'll be stickers in there for you, and some colored paper. I decided I wanted to make a card, so I took one of my colored papers and I folded it so it would open. And then I took my scissors and I cut out of my textured paper, I cut some, you're right, I cut some bunny ears right there. And I put that on next. And then I made a bunny face, and then I added some of my folded paper, and there'll be some grass in there, and then I put my grass so it looks like the bunny is peeking out of its little paper hideaway. And then I thought I'd add a sticker on there so it looks like the bunny's outside, and then I can write a message inside. Or you can make anything you'd like out of it. So we hope you have some fun with our grab and go craft bag. They will be available in the children's department for you to stop by and pick up. We hope to see you soon.